Hello to everyone. Today we are going to see the definition of attention, the ill effects of short attention span, and what are the remedies and solutions to improve our attention span. So, what is attention? There is an interesting fact that 47% of our waking hours we used to think about something others what we are doing. 47% बार ऐसा होता है कि हम कुछ और सोच रहे होते हैं बजाय कि जो काम हम जिसमें व्यस्त हैं. Mind wandering is very common. It is normal to find mind wandering when one should be focused on something like daydreaming. Attention is actually a state of arousal, and talking more specific, attention is allocation of limited cognitive processing resources. Now let's see the scientific definition of attention. It is the behavioral and cognitive process of selectively concentrating on a discrete aspect of information, whether considered subjective or objective, while ignoring other perceivable information. So there are ill effects of poor attention or short span of attention. The meaning of short attention span is not able to focus for longer duration. This is very common issue we used to face in our day-to-day life. Let's see what are the effects of short attention span. First one is poor performance at work or school, colleges, inability to complete a daily task when our attention span is limited or low, so we used to miss important detail or information. Not only in working environment, lack of attention also causes communication difficulties in relationship. Lack of attention produces inability to practice healthy habits. So the question arises, how to increase attention span? What are the ways, what are the techniques by following which we can increase our attention span? Very common, very popular, you might have heard. First one is chew gum. It improves attention and performance at work. It increases alertness and lowers stress. It gives short burst to attention span when you are feeling distracted, so give a try to chewing a gum. Second solution for increasing attention span is very popular but we used to ignore it, that is drink water, stay hydrated. Dehydration can worsen ability to think. It also impairs our focus. Next solution is exercise. It improves ability to focus. To help improve your attention span, consider taking a brisk walk for 30 minutes a day, 4 to 5 times a week. Next solution for attention is meditation. It is training to mind to focus and redirecting the thoughts. Meditation is mental training of attention. As weightlifting for muscles, similarly, meditation trains our mind. Meditation needs consistent and habitual practice to see the desired result. Meditation is very useful in improving our focus and attention. Next thing is keep yourself engaged because empty spaces contributes in wandering our mind. So develop a habit of writing. Try to make notes instead of using mobile and laptop. Next solution is behavioral therapy. It helps identify and change unhealthy or self-destructive behaviors. Psychotherapy helps to eradicate the unhelpful thoughts and behavior patterns. By reducing, we can surely increase our attention span. Next very famous solution is listen to music. Classical music helps pay attention. Even short symphonies music engages the areas of the brain which is involved with paying attention. Drink black tea if you want to improve your attention. Coffee might makes you alert, but tea can help you pay attention. Why? Because black tea contains amino acids L-theanine, which affects areas of brain that control our attention. Thanks for watching the clip. Please subscribe and share. Press the bell icon. And also you can try the given methods to improving attention and give a feedback by commenting in the comment section. Thanks.